Hello everyone, I'm Rehaan, a normal guy just like you all. 16 days ago, Iman Ghazi hosted a money making challenge where he talked about how to make digital products. It was alright until he dropped a $2,000 subscription price. I mean, bro, seriously? I know the price is high because he spent millions in synthesized AI and Ghostwriter AI and much more stuff. I don't know who bought it, but I couldn't afford it. So, in the last video where I rant about the Iman Ghazi challenge, I announced that I would make a guide on how to make digital products with free AI in just a fraction of that cost. I said $100, but nobody talked about the price in the comment section. But later on that, I would like to introduce you to AI Digital Product Factory, which is the no bullshit system to create, brand, and monetize digital products using free AI tools. Free AI tools. You hear that, Iman? I saw a comment on my last video of a guy saying those AI tools can do wonders. Bro, of course. But if you let a baby drive a car, you know it's not gonna be good. Even Iman said that it's all about the right prompt and can be achieved with free AI tools. So, let me show you how to create your first digital product with AIDPF. It's an acronym. I hope it sounds good. First of all, AIDPF works in 4 steps. Number 1, find a profitable sub niche. I didn't say sub twice for no reasons. A sub niche is basically a sub niche of a sub niche. For example, health, which is a mother niche, then fitness, which is a sub niche, and then 10-minute home workout for moms with toddlers, which is a sub niche of a sub niche. All of this digging is because we want to find a specific problem for a specific person with a specific pain. Being too generic is always the reason many products fail. Number 2, creating a product with free AI tools. And when I say free AI tools, I mean it. You can use ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, Gemini, or any other AI with my prompt. I mean, just look at this. Have you seen anything like this? ChatGPT is literally asking me to choose stuff before proceeding. Okay, number 3, make it look clean and professional. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is the only part where you need to move your ass. Not literally, but yeah. But don't worry, because you can use AI tools. Again, free ones to help you make everything look clean and professional. I used Canva, free one, and the prompt I gave to ChatGPT told me how should I design the whole product. And yes, I made this guide with my own prompt. Lastly, now 4, monetize your product with 0 followers. You guys must be thinking this guy has gone insane. I mean, how would anyone know about your product if you have 0 followers? Well, you don't need followers. You just need people who have the target audience and just ask them to promote your product. Basic sense, to be honest. And this is how you can create, brand, and monetize your digital product in 24 hours if you work really hard. Any of you who know how to use AI can do all of this. I did all of this in 12 days, but I want to help you all cut that research time and just start making your presence in this industry as soon as possible. Because, as Iman Ghazi said, this is the era of AI, and if you wait for the perfect opportunity, you might lose what you have in hand right now. I'm not a fan of Iman Ghazi, but that guy speaks truth. As I said in the beginning of the video, I wanted the price to be $100. But to be honest, most of you guys couldn't afford it because I couldn't afford it at this moment in my life. So I dropped the price to $50. I know it's still too much, but I remember buying Andrew's $50 membership for 3 months straight while working at a restaurant. If I can afford 50, you guys can too. So let me know what you think about AI Digital Product Factory. It will be available on WAP and the link will be in the description. Also, I'm gonna be hosting a free giveaway of this guide soon. So follow me on Instagram too. Thank you so much if you watched until the end. You are my great supporter. Wish you a happy day or night. FIN.